Welcome to Chrissy's Haven. I am at it again. I am watching true crime and doing some crafting. Today I'm going to be making a few candelabras out of the cool, beautiful drinkware that the Dollar Tree has. Like, these colors are fantastic. I was like, wow, I'm not even a red person. I don't decorate with red, but this red was gorgeous. And the iridescent, I was like, wow, there's something about summer and using the fun colors. It just makes me happy. So let's get started. This is a really easy one. I got 2 of the red margarita glasses. That placemat is also from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree's summer stuff is so color coordinated. I did luck out and I found 2 red iridescent votive glasses and I snapped them up because there's only 2 left. But you could use plain votive glasses. You could use whatever you want. I just happened to luck out and grab those because they were there. Why not? I'm placing these votives into the margarita glass. They fit perfectly. But I'm also going to add some white rock that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, just to kind of add a little contrast. I think the red and the white is so beautiful. But just a heads up, this white stone is also from the Dollar Tree and it's very dusty. And if you're a sloppy crafter like me, I got it everywhere. I was picking it up off the floor. I spilled it like 5 times, but you know, that's just me. The white and red contrast is so cool. Then I added some red flameless candles. I use a lot more flameless candles in my perimenopausal stage. I think the brain fog, I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable having open flames anywhere anymore. I do use some candles, but I'm always watching them. Look at how pretty. And it was so quick and easy and cheap. We love cheap. If you are hosting and you have a longer picnic table, you can make multiple of these and line them up down the table. And at night with the flickering candles, I think that would look so nice. It's so summery. I'm so impressed with these. They really are pretty. But we're not going to stop at these. I am going to make a flower arrangement with a watermelon bowl and some Dollar Tree florals. I bought a few stems of hydrangeas. Yeah, here I am messing around. These are called stone something. I got some palm leaves. Or draconia leaves, dracana, I don't know. We got some roses and we got some dahlias, and I think the orange and the yellow and the reds, it's just going to look fabulous together. And then they have, like I said, they're color coordinated at the Dollar Tree. They had this little bowl. It was $1.25, and I'm going to make a centerpiece out of it. I did get a floral foam piece from the Dollar Tree. All of this is from the Dollar Tree. And I glued that to the bottom of the bowl. And I'm going to just start adding my florals to it however I feel. I'm going to clip them off of the stem with the wire cutters. And then as I'm putting them in, I can adjust. I don't know about you, but I am very impressed with a lot of the Dollar Tree florals this year. Like, they're nice. They're really pretty. And when you put them all together, it just blows my mind. These were so pretty. And like I said, I'm not a red or an orange person normally, but the bright colors in there, it made me feel happy. It's so summery. Okay, I'm just making sure the glue's dried before I start putting my flowers in. Let's gather them all up and let's begin. I'm going to start with the hydrangeas. Now, the one thing about Dollar Tree florals is from people picking at them, and I'm guilty of it too. Check your stems because sometimes there's flowers missing, and I didn't check these stems and I noticed some flowers were missing from the stem. You want to try to make sure you get full stems. I was just kind of adding the flowers here and there. There was no real rhyme or reason. I was trying to alternate the hydrangeas and the dahlias near the bottom and put the roses in the middle. And then whatever filler flowers I could, you know, use. I wanted to use all the flowers. And it turns out sometimes you don't overthink it. Just start going with it and see how it comes out. You could always rearrange it. Here's one of those spots where I noticed there's a missing flower, so I just removed that empty stem from the arrangement. There's another one, I see it in here. I did remove it, but it's funny I didn't catch that right away. After adding some florals, I just give it a quick look over so I can remove some more empty stems and see where there's some gaps or some unevenness before I finish adding all the flowers.
The body was positioned in a fetal position, vulnerable and abandoned, left to decay in the cold. The forensic team quickly transported the remains for identification. And the following morning, the devastating confirmation came. It was Jennifer Rothwell.
Okay, now I put all my florals in. I'm going to check it again, floof it up where I feel it needs to be floofed. If there's too much of one color in one spot, I could always rearrange it. This looks pretty good though. It's so cute. They also have bigger watermelon bowls there, so you can do a bigger arrangement. I just wanted to do something small. And I thought this was so cute. Now I'm going to add some palm leaves and some of those stone picks, the stoneflower picks, just for some accent and a little bit of height. I like unique looking things, and I found that accents sometimes just make an arrangement go from pretty to gorgeous. I was going to add more palm leaves, but I actually like just having these two like that. I think it looks great. So I'm going to leave it like that. What do you think? I think it looks cute. I like it. It's fancy. Again, with the stone picks, the stoneflower picks, I decided to only add 2 because I thought that was perfect. I was going to add them all, but I don't know, I like just having the 2 of them like that. And remember, no matter what, it's going to be beautiful because you made it for you, your style. Look at how pretty. I'm actually really impressed with this. It is so pretty and summery. Can you picture that on a picnic table outside? Oh my goodness. And it was so easy and fun to make. And it was cheap. Cheap, cheap, cheap. There's something about the summer florals that make you, at least me, get out of my comfort zone of what normally I would decorate with. And like I said, I'm not a red and orange kind of decorator, but this just took my breath away. The reds were perfect. This is gorgeous. And now we're adding our margarita candelabras. If you're, having a party or something, you can make several of the watermelon centerpiece floral arrangements and the margarita candelabras and line them up and down tables. It was not expensive to make at all. And like I said, it was a lot of fun. Thank you for stopping by and hanging with me as we make some fun tropical summery arrangements. I can't wait to make more. I hope you are all having a wonderful spring, a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Ciao.